Say a few sentences about this picture.
There are two boys in the picture. There are
Entivi, what are these? Birds.
birds in the picture.
How many birds are there? Enni unnai birds?
9.
Very good. There are
9.
9 birds.
9 birds. ఉన్నాయి.
ఇంకా ఏమన్నాయి? What are these?
Trees.
These are trees. There are trees.
There are trees in the picture.
There are
house in the picture.
ఒకటేనా ఉంది? ఇక్కడ
Houses in the picture.
Very good. What are the birds doing? ఏం చేస్తున్నాయి birds?
Birds.
ఏం చేస్తున్నాయి? తింటున్నాయి కదా? ఏం తింటున్నాయి?
Biju.
The birds are eating
The birds are eating
grains. What are the birds doing here? ఇక్కడ ఇవేం చేస్తున్నాయి? The birds are flying. The birds are
flying.
చెప్పు మొత్తం చెప్పు.
The birds are flying.
Very good. What is the color of his t-shirt?
Red.
He wears
red color t-shirt.
Very good.
He wears color
green color knickers. He wears orange color
t-shirt.
He wears
blue color knickers.
Very good.